What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So I wanted to do a quick video to share a deal with you guys. I shared this deal on Instagram and I also shared it on TikTok, so I'm going to show you guys the post now.
Really, I don't say this, but you need to run to CVS. We have this Gillette Razor Styler, originally $28.49, on sale for only $9.99, and it gets better. When you buy one, you get $4 back in extra bucks, making it only
It is the Gillette Styler. It is a 3-in-1. It's a trimmer and a razor, and it retails for $28.49 at CVS, but it is bringing up $9.99, and you're getting $4 in extra bucks when you buy one. Now we do have the $2 off one P&G coupon that you guys can use for this one, and you can also or if you guys don't have the coupon, you can submit your receipt to coupons.com, the app, and then you'll get $2 back in the rebate. Or you can even still try that and see if you get it even if you use the paper coupon. I'm not really sure how that app works, that's why. But if you guys have any CRTs with it, you can also match some CRTs, like a $3 off Gillette or a $5 off Gillette, because I've been seeing people say that they have that. And if you guys have that $5 off one Gillette CRT plus the $2 off P&G coupon, this is going to be a $1 money maker. So it's a really good deal. Now it's a super easy deal. If you guys don't have any coupons, any paper coupons or any CRTs, you guys can still go into store, grab one for $9.99. If you have $4 in extra bucks, go ahead and roll them. You're going to be paying $5.99, and then you're going to get the $4 right back at the end of the receipt. Now I also wanted to share, because a lot of people have been saying that these are sold out in their stores and they can't find them. Well guys, I have mentioned this in one of my videos of like all things you need to know about CVS. If your store does not have the item, get a rain check. This is what they look like. So all you need to do is just tell the cashier, hey, I'm looking for, this certain product. It's not on the shelf. Like, they'll go and they'll see, and then it's gonna have the tag. It should say, the $9.99 and get $4 in extra bucks. So it's basically, when the item is out of stock, they'll give you a rain check of the item. So that way, when they do have it in stock, all you need to do is take this little paper, give them the paper once you know how you have the product, and then at the cash register, they're just gonna input the sale price, and then they'll issue the extra bucks as well. So if you guys can see here, they put the store number, the date, they put the item that it is, they put the quantity. So if you guys want more than one, you can tell them two, and they'll put two, and then they'll put down the regular price, they'll put the sale price, and then they'll put the extra bucks that you're gonna get back as well. And then they'll put the event code. Most of the time they don't put the event code, they just leave it blank, but sometimes they do put the event code. And then normally what I like to do, I'll just ask them if I could take the little tag, the little ones, the yellow ones that they put, to just stick it on here. That way, because some stores might give you like issues. It rarely happens, rarely happens, but sometimes some stores will be like, oh no, we can't accept this rain check, even though they should. But I don't know, some stores, cashiers can, they do whatever they want basically. So I usually like to take it. If not, you don't have to, but I just wanted to share those tips with you guys. These are on sale for $9.99 if you guys want to score. I definitely think this is an awesome, like, either stocking stuffer or to make a gift basket for any of the guys in your family. You can put shampoo, deodorant, and all that with one of these in there and wrap it up really nice. I definitely think that's a great idea. And like I said, if you guys can't find it, get your rain checks. A lot of people sleep on these, but if my store doesn't have certain items, I am always getting rain checks, because you guys can always use them later on, and it is the exact same deal. So it's like, if you can't find it in store, you'll find it later on, and then you'll still have the rain check to get the sale price plus the extra bucks. But all right guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Let me know if you guys already scored on these, or if you guys are gonna run to your store and if you score, and then we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.